Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your earbuds Cellularline FLICK are so quiet. Firstly, I recommend to clean the grill. You need to remove ear tips from your earbuds, and right here we have the grill. So you can use a brush and slightly clean it. By the way, at this channel we have a video how to clean these earbuds, so if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. Now, when you clean the grill and it didn't help you, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old, or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem for only one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, open Settings. Then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance. So you need to test it, move this dot and test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, the same process, you just move this dot to the left, again you need to find a good balance, and again we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here Accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. Scroll down, enter into Accessibility, scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move this dot and test what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and again you need to find a good balance, and again we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!